Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'll be doing a review of this 18 volt Einhell cordless work light. So here it is, the Einhell 18 volt work light slash torch. The model is TC-CL18/350Li and it works with the 18 volt Einhell power exchange batteries. It says on the box that the brightness is 350 lumens, 7000K, I think that's the colour of the LED, and it works at up to 30 meters, the luminous range. There's also a few other things on the box, German design quality, official tool expert, and AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. Not sure what that's about. But let's open up the box and take a look at the torch. So in the box you just get the torch and the instruction manual. So here is a nice close-up of the torch. It's nicely made, so it seems. Nice chunky handle with the rubber grip, nice big head on the torch, quite a big light inside, LED, loads of reflective material in there, and this part is adjustable. It's on like a ratchet system, so you can angle it to how you want to use it. And here is the on and off button here. So now we can turn on the torch for the first time with the trigger. It stands up really well. So it also has this like little hook on the top here, this area where you can add a hook to hang it up if you want. Here is a close-up of that LED. It looks like a single diode down in there. The cover on the light feels like it's plastic, not glass, and it's got like a cowl around it just to protect it, which juts out a little bit. Here's a close-up of the rubber handle, nice and chunky and comfortable, and there's the on and off button. So you can imagine if you're working on something, you can just put the torch down, turn it on and aim it towards where you want to work. And you can pull it back to get a wider beam. So now we'll try the torch in the dark. It's not fully dark in here, but it's getting dark. Pretty good light, nice, bright and white. And if I was working on this area, I can clearly see what I'm doing. So let's pretend we're under the sink in a bit of a gloomy dark spot and we want to do a bit of work up here, screwing in some screws or whatever. I'm going to turn the torch on now, and that area is nicely lit. So there's not much more to say about it really. What I'm going to do is go out for a walk at night and give it a test and see if I can get any footage of that. But first impressions, very good, nice feeling, well made, chunky torch with a nice big bright beam on it. Okay, so I'm walking down the lane at night. It's pitch black when I get past this street light. Now I can demonstrate this torch. As you can see, it really lights up the area well. plenty of light, as much light as you would need. Look at that, if you were working on something you could easily light up the area. So I've just put the torch on the floor so you can see the amount of spread the light gives. Okay, so that is about it for this video then. So not a lot to say about this tool. Nice simple torch. You can use it with your existing 18 volt Einhell power exchange battery range. That's really handy. It does what it says on the tin. It lights up areas really well. You saw it at night in pitch darkness. Works really well. It's got that adjustable head on it and you can hang it if you want. Seems pretty well made too, so pretty much everything you'd want in a work light that I can think of. I think it's a good product, really useful in them awkward spots where you need a bit of extra light, or especially in the winter time like now when it's dark at 3:45 at night. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.